Hey people! So it's like see, today I'm all dressed in blue because I really, for the past half an hour, like, yeah, pretty much I've been sitting and writing down the benefits of, like I said, I want to do a whole series on these different stones. So this today I'm going to speak about blue turquoise. And these there are these baffling things that I just got to know, that apparently blue turquoise helps with even inflammation, like anti-inflammation. So, like, I knew that these stones make one feel calm, though honestly right now I've been wearing certain green stones which I find more, they make me feel very serene. So, this I think is an onyx, green onyx. So, no, people, you know, for the for the ones who are not interested in stones, you all would wonder what on earth. But I've seen, but you can check out anything on Google, and otherwise also it's out of personal experience. I'm speaking that these stones really kind of, like I said, they come from the earth and Mother Earth. So और माँ अपने बच्चे के लिए हमेशा अच्छा ही चाहेगी. So I've seen this personally, that they make quite a difference. Like, but of course you need to be sensitive enough to be able to notice this difference. Like, and also yeah, with regard to blue turquoise, apparently anyone with eye ailments should be wearing these stones. Touch wood, I mean, I'm happy wearing these, my onyx, green onyx, but blue turquoise is something that it helps reduce panic attacks. So for basically half the planet should be wearing these blue turquoise stones. So on that note, no, it's already a 2-minute video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.